Alright folks, back with me again, Stanley. Today I'm here with the Lenovo Miix 320, so it's 2-in-1 laptop. Today's test is how fast this baby do a boot up. So we're gonna press this button and then release it. The stopwatch is on, the Lenovo logo is up. Okay, the quick spec, this is 2 GB of RAM and the display is HD version, not full HD. In short, this is the cheapest version that you can get on the market. Equipped with Intel Atom, of course. I'll put the full spec below. Okay, enter the password. So yeah, it's about 30 seconds. And we're gonna try to open a Google Chrome and enter the website with this. So it's not bad for 2-in-1 laptop, I'm telling you that. Okay, see if it can make below 50. No, but yeah, it's about 50, 55. So yeah, it's 55 seconds from complete that to entering website. For this 2-in-1 laptop, this is super cheap. I bought this a week ago, $200 US dollar. Really cheap, really good for the price, and this is 2-in-1. So you can make this as a tablet. Okay, yeah. The display is not bad too. Okay, hope you find this video useful, and if you do, click like, and if you want to see the full review of this cute laptop, very small, subs here. Okay, see you on the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Cheers.